Hi, welcome to this channel GCP Exam Ready. In this video, we're going to go through the types of storage available to us on GCP. We've slightly covered some of these before, but today we'll go into more detail. We've got four main types of storage when we're looking at GCP. We have cache, memory store, persistent disks, and cloud storage. Cache is not a new concept to us. This is in-memory data storage. This is the type of data that your computers keep when you're surfing the internet or when you make a purchase and ask the computer to remember your details. This is really good for quick data retrieval. Remember, we said latency is how slow it is to get the data back. Therefore, it's a lower latency data storage. However, it's volatile. As soon as you shut down your machine or you reset to a different date, all the cache is lost. Next, we have memory store. This is a managed Redis service. It sounds very familiar to cache because it's very similar, except it works by retrieving data from a hard disk the first time and then storing that data onto your machine in the form of a database, and that can be accessed more easily than you would if you were to retrieve it all over again. Again, this has a lower latency once you have retrieved the data the first time. Next, we have persistent disks, and these are SSDs or HDDs. On GCP, they can be up to 64 terabytes. So make sure you make use of these if you need to attach something to a VM. Pay attention to the little sign on the top right which says that persistent disks are a type of block storage so that you don't get confused. Next, we have cloud storage. This is a type of object storage, even though we call it cloud storage on GCP. This is where objects are stored into buckets. Don't mistake this with file storage because these objects are not stored in a filing system. We have four types: MultiRegional, Regional, Nearline, and Coldline. MultiRegional. This is for less delays when accessing storage. It also means that even if zone level has a failure, you still have another way to access this data. However, bear in mind that you can't transition from a regional type of storage to a multi-regional type of storage. Next, we have Nearline versus Coldline. Nearline is really good for accessing data less than once a month. Coldline is for accessing data less than once a year. Retrieving data from Coldline costs more money, and therefore if you're looking to retrieve data more than once a year, you're better off using Nearline. You can transfer Nearline to Coldline, but once you set a bucket to Coldline, you can't transfer it to any other type of data storage. This has been GCP Exam Ready with the different types of data storage. Make sure you subscribe, hit like, and leave your questions. See you.